Well, hello, ladies, gentlemen, undecided, and welcome to another riveting video by your boy, Nicky Poo. Today we're going to be changing out the oil and filter on a 2017 Dodge Ram 1500 4x4 Hemi 5.7 liter V8. Oh. This process is pretty much the same for all 2014 to 2019 4x4 1500 V8s with the Hemi engine. So let's take a look at some of the things we're going to need. We're going to be using Mobil 1 synthetic oil. I don't really have a brand preference. I just like synthetic for my Hemi engine. It's a little bit smaller of a micron, so it's going to help with friction and heat a little bit better. Gonna need a new engine oil filter, some shop rags, some gloves, a clean funnel, and a drain catch. So park your truck on a level location, set the parking brake, and then find the location of 4 items. Number 1, engine oil filler cap. Number 2, engine oil dipstick. Number 3, bear with me. Oh my gosh. Oh. No fat jokes. Number 3, engine oil filter, which is that black cylinder right there. And number 4, engine oil drain plug, right chaw. That is a 13 millimeter. Let's get started, shall we? All right, first thing you want to do is remove the engine oil filler cap. I always like to wipe it off first before I remove it. Set this off to the side. I always like to check the engine oil dipstick. I try to look for metal shavings and just kind of the overall condition of the oil. You can see it's not horrible, but it's not, you know, clean either. It needs to be replaced. I don't see any metal shavings in it. So we'll put that back in. Put that in the oil filler, keep out any debris. Position your drain pan in a good spot. Undo the drain plug. I had loosened it a little bit earlier. Now slowly unscrew the drain plug, keeping pressure on the drain plug, pushing it in while you're unscrewing it. And then right before it comes loose, pull it away. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Just like so. Let the engine oil drain for about 15 minutes or so. That's what I like to do. Get it all out of there. All right. Let's try and get this fuel oil filter off. It's going to leak all over the place, so just be mindful of that. There it goes. Leaking all over the place. Put your pan in the right spot. Boy, why do they put these things here? I really don't know. It doesn't make any sense. So inconvenient. Engine oil is drained for about 15 minutes, so now we're taking this bad boy off, and it's going to fall, and I'm going to lose it behind the cross member. There it goes. See, I knew it. Oh shoot. Oh, dirty oil everywhere. Oof. Boy, Ram now. You guys need to put your oil filters in a better location, because this location sucks. And oh, sorry for the crappy video. Gonna drop it. Nope, no I'm not. Can't drop it. Oh, mercy. What a dirty, disgusting knob. All right, before we put the new oil filter on, we're going to fill it up about halfway full like so, around the gasket, like so. All right, I'm going to attempt to, I don't know if you can see it or not, try and clean the oil filter housing. Just wipe it off a little bit. Like so. Now it's clean. I'm going to try and put on the new oil filter. There it is. All right, now that we got that on, we have our drain plug, which is nice and clean. I'm gonna put that on. Okay. And just tighten it snug. Don't over tighten it. Just make sure it's tight. It's not going to come out. That's good. Now that we've got the oil filter changed and the drain plug reinstalled, it's time to fill this bad boy back up. This takes 7 quarts of oil. I've got 5 full quarts right here, so we'll dump those in, and then another 1.5 quarts, 6.5 quarts, and then we're going to check the level, add if we need to, and then go do a little test drive and check for leaks. And just a little bit more. Just a little bit. I always like to wipe off the oil filler cap just for shirts and goggles. Yes, the engine cover is missing. I took it off when I put in my cold air intake. Probably reduces engine temperature by about 1 degree, but hey, it's helpful. All right, let's go take it for a test drive. Check for any massive oil spills behind me. Don't see any. That's a good sign. Take it around the block and check for leaks. All right, let's check for leaks. And drain plug looks good. Alrighty, we're good to go. We're just gonna check the oil level one more time. Alright, I've let it sit for a while. Let's check the engine oil level. Nice clean oil. And where are we at? Right at full. So we are good to go. Now I'll show you how to reset the engine service thingamajigger. So in order to reset the oil service light, you just need to put the key in the run position, go down to vehicle info, move over to oil life, hold down the right arrow, confirm reset, press down for OK, and then press right again. Whoops. And we're done. Oil life 100%. Thanks for watching.